$118 Charger. Burn the midnight oil. So, put a new fuel pump in. First thing I did, because I was thinking I wasn't going to be here very long. Only to find out that I got 12 volts on each side of the connector, but the pump's not powering up. So I send power to it, and see, it has continuity, but then when I plug it up into the hat, you know, like, it does absolutely nothing. It's throwing an error code on the dash. So I go back to the original fuel pump, and I'm looking at the orientation on the wires. So the yellow would be the yellow is for the power, and the black's for the negative. And then when you follow it onto the hat, notice that the ground is the third connector there, while the power is the first one. All right, so we go over here to here, and when you look at the connector here, so the brown is the ground, or the black, and then the red is the connector. So if you notice, they're sitting right next to each other. So I'm willing to bet if I swap them two around, I bet it'll start right up. All right, so swapping pins over here took me a while to figure out which one to use. But yeah, so I'm just gonna swap these two around right here. See what happens. Alright, so we're gonna plug this in to the hat. Should go that way, right? Bet you this motherfucker gonna work this time. Let's plug this in. Alright, so I want you to turn the key on. I want to make sure this thing is gonna power up now. Go ahead and turn the key on. Oh man, we in business. All right, turn the key off.
Oh.
Yeah. Turn the key on.
Put it back on.
Yeah. All right, fire it up.
Firing it up.
Yep. Yeah, so that's all. They had the damn thing pinned wrong. Yeah, this new one, this CarQuest part here. Like, I guess whoever wired this thing up, they had the wires crossed. So, man, that's crazy. I guess the average mechanic wouldn't have found that, huh?
I got big sure.
Okay, then. All right, let's go and turn it off. I know sometimes we have an expectation that the parts that we order from the parts store will still be correct, and for the most part, they are. If y'all just so happen to run across the same quality issue that I ran across, use this video as a reference guide, and I hope it can help someone, especially if you properly diagnosed it and still no start. Mistakes happen, and I'm glad I was able to figure this one out, and it didn't damage anything. Thanks for watching.